So hey guys, welcome back. Today we're doing a whole total AV installation at Fresh Anointing Church. The last one I did was at Grace International, where we had speakers. We changed the JBLs to the QSC LAs, and we switched out the Avantis to an Avantis Solo because it's going out for repair, and then did a lot of like redesign, reintegration with cameras and videos. But here at Fresh International we're doing something different. We don't have anything that we're doing right now with the speakers, but what we're doing is that we are switching out this board right here. Yo, this board is like like the OG oldest board. This is the QU32. I have been praying for us to switch out this board since forever, but we're finally taking this board out. I wish I could do the SQ, but I'm not able to do the SQ. Instead I'm doing the Wing because of cost. I'm doing the Wing. I think the Wing is a very excellent board. I'm doing the Wing. I'm doing an S32 for the stage box. I'm doing P16. So if I instead decided to go SQ and say I do SQ and let's say a GX4816 stage box and ME500s or even ME1s, I'm talking of more than $10,000, which I did not have the budget for. But so today we're doing this, taking this QU32, this OG board out. I've been crying for this board to be replaced. Replacing it with a Wing, which I've already pre-configured. Then we're gonna install a new stage box, install an antenna distribution system. I think we're using the distro. Take that whole, come let me show you. Take that whole rack. Yeah, this is the Wing, by the way. I have the distro right there. I have the stage box, the P16s, many of them coming from Thoman. So yeah, so this church actually we just use. So this church actually we just use 2 speakers here and 2 overflows. They are very, very good and very, very okay for this church. It's not so much not a big church like you had at the last one I did at Grace International. And we run 2 subs. One on each side is not working anyway. So yeah, so we're gonna take this rack, hopefully take this rack in once I install the Distro 9 antenna. What else are we gonna do? We're gonna add a keyboard to this, Motif M8X. Yeah, this musician part is really horrible. We're gonna change the drums, the drum shield, but not right now. That's probably in about 2 to 3 weeks. Install new mic for a saxophone here, install new bass amp combo. I think that's the Gallien-Krueger. Install new guitar combo. What else am I doing? Yes, our main camera is going to be changed to the Blackmagic Studio Camera 4K Plus. We use 3 PTZs here and 1 Panasonic. So we're going to be changing our main to a Blackmagic Camera 4K G2. And then we're going to have a drum cam. We're going to have a drum camera, install a new drum camera. And then we're going to have that old camera that we had for the main one. We're going to put it right here, like for a musician side shot for the stage, so we can like capture musicians and so. Oh, I don't know yet. So these are the changes that we have. We're going to be working like for 2 days. But the major thing I want to do is take this rack, this whole hideous mess, and put this rack right inside this room here. You know, drill a hole, put it, if it's possible. I don't know yet, because once I install the Distro 9 antenna, then there's no need for this rack to stay outside here. It looks really hideous, but if it's really possible, I just have a few people working with me. If it's really possible, that's Daniel. Welcome to say what's up. And right there is Emmanuel, the G, the guy, the cameraman. Yeah. So we got this work going. We're gonna finish all of this in 2 days, and tomorrow we're gonna come Saturday, have sound check, have the other things installed. But just a progress. I think we're still gonna do more on lights. I can't wait to see the drum sheet when we install the drum sheet. But we're just gonna do the major things that we have to do. So let's go. Alright, so the upgrade of everything that we did so far, we're done. Right here, we actually replaced the mixer, so we're definitely using the wing now. Done sound check, everything is done. Everything has been done. We use like Friday, Saturday. I use like Friday, Saturday. We did all the connections and everything. So sound check has been done. Good balance. Just just a little bit of tuning still needed for live stream stuff. What else did we do? What else did I do over here? Yes, right here. So we took out this bad boy, atemminipro, replaced it with these atemminipro ISO. So yeah, I'm done. It's set up. Still see how it works tomorrow. Please not mind the mess right here, but yeah, love it so far. You can literally do everything right here. As I said, always we get our audio just comes directly into XLR 1 and 2, that's your left and right, and good to go. And then connected, you can see it right there, but the card is right there, and it's going via the SDI. Have a SSD hooked up right here. We're good to go, guys. Still working it. So right now we have 6 inputs. We have a main input, we have our 3 PTZs, we have a drum cam, not yet set up because look, cable is short, so I'm probably gonna get a longer connection for that. So 6 inputs, main 3 PTZs. I think this one is like a side input, a musician input, and the 6th one as the drum camera. That's the upgrade that we did. So definitely recommend this mixer for Montage. So what else did we do? Yeah, soundcheck was really good. The only thing I think that is left is the drum shell or the drum cage. I'm probably gonna do that in 3 weeks. Yeah, so took out the old Allen&Heath QU32, took out the Allen&Heath stage box because we are now switching to the wing and Behringer and replace it with the Behringer Behringer S32, and you see here with our P16 for our P16s, and also our RF venue for this for our microphones. This for our microphone antenna system. I was actually originally planning to take this whole rack to the back over here, but unfortunately we cannot do that because it's really empty. And yes, added, this is one of our cameras. I'm gonna go over here. Replaced our Mo with this Montage M8X, and yes, P16s, all P16s, pan over here to this here, all P16s, and yeah, that's basically. Yes, let me show you one more thing. This for our guitars, electric guitar amp, the Boss Katana. Please do not mind this place. This place is gonna be a whole different change. And this for our bass, the Gallien-Krueger. We're still working on the drum style with the drum shell, and it's still gonna come, and then the drum camera. This is just for now, but this is all gonna change. So yeah, so that's all that we did so far. Well, see you in the next install. Bye.